Hello ghosts and ghouls, my name is Zoe and I'm a keeper here at the Santa Fe College Teaching Zoo. And today I'd like to introduce you all to a very special bird that calls the zoo his home, Ripley, the Guam rail. Now before I started this program, if you had told me Guam rail, I would have thought you were talking about a construction project in Guam, not an incredible species of flightless bird. They get their name, Guam rail, as they were once only found on the island of Guam. And in Guam, they call them the koko. Kokos are an omnivorous bird, meaning they eat plants as well as other animals. For the koko bird, their prey consists mostly of insects and other invertebrates, with the occasional small vertebrate such as a lizard. You may have noticed that Ripley has a long, narrow beak. This beak is not as sharp as the beak of large carnivore birds like an owl, but it's plenty sharp enough for the insects and plants of the koko's diet. In Ripley's case, his favorite thing to eat is bugs. Any bugs will do, but his absolute favorite are superworms. To make his enrichment extra enticing for him, I have hidden superworms and their smaller cousin, the mealworm, inside his haunted house. By hiding the worms in pine straw, we're able to get Ripley to practice natural behaviors. The natural behavior we're helping Ripley display today is foraging. And foraging is the act of looking for food in the environment. Like all kokos, Ripley cannot fly. But what they lack in flight, they make up for with their running speed. For small birds, they're able to run very quickly through the thick marsh grass they call home. In order to do this, they've adapted long legs compared to their body size. And not only are their legs long, but they're also very strong. So strong, in fact, that even though these birds are flightless, they're able to jump into the air to gain a small amount of lift in order to get up into low trees. The limit of their flight is about 3 to 10 feet depending on the individual koko. Now, check out Ripley's extra long toes. These toes allow him to walk over the vegetation and mud that he lives on without sinking in. And even how Ripley's body is shaped aids in his speed. If you look at him from head on, you'll notice his body is very narrow. This makes him streamlined and perfect for darting through the grass. All these amazing adaptations unfortunately couldn't help the koko bird, and their home was invaded by the brown tree snake, an invasive species. But thanks to the wonderful work from government agencies and zoos accredited by the Associations of Zoos and Aquariums, the koko birds are making a comeback. Thank you all so much for listening to me talk about this phenomenal bird. And before you go, help us scare away hunger by donating shelf-stable food items to the Ghosts, Goblins, and Groceries food drive. We're collecting donations the entire month of October to support Saints Food Share and Catholic Charities food pantries. You can even get discounted admissions to the zoo by donating. More information can be found on our Facebook or on our website at sfcollege.edu/zoo. No tricks, all treats. Donate something good to eat. Happy Halloween!